Now, like we did on the other side, I'm gonna grab my lever all the way open, and we're gonna go up about a thumb's width here. And now to start getting rid of that line, I'm gonna come in closed and then gradually open the lever as I just showed you. So I'm gonna grab my one guard now, and we're gonna go up, about the same distance, and just continuing to maintain that shape. And now to get rid of this line, I'm gonna come in with my half guard open, and now we're gonna grab our 2 guard, which is again the biggest guard that we are using, and this is all the way open. Now we're gonna follow that up with the 1.5 open, and we'll go ahead and close that lever just like as you guys seen. And obviously this is not perfect, so we are gonna go back in detail. So I grab my 1 guard again, and now we're gonna go ahead and blend into his curls with clipper over comb like we did on the other side. Now we grabbed our thinning shears to go ahead and soften and blend everything up, give it a lot more fluid look.